In this video, we're looking at understanding probability. So trying to figure out what is more probable or what is more likely to happen. So that in this example, it says, on which color is the spinner less likely to land? So if you imagine spinning this spinner around, I hope it's obvious to you that there's a much greater chance it's going to land on the pink. It is less likely that it will land on the white because there's so much less white than there is pink. Therefore, the probability is greater it will land on the pink, and the probability is less that it will land on the white. This example says, if you select a marble without looking, which color are you more likely to pick? So imagining these 4 marbles are in a bag and you can't see which they are. If you pull one in, I hope you recognize it is more likely that you will pick a pink marble because 3 of the marbles are pink, whereas only 1 of them is black. You could say you have a 3 out of 4 chance of picking a pink and only a 1 out of 4 chance of picking a black. Therefore, again, it is more probable or more likely that you will pick a pink marble. In this last example, it says, if you select a marble without looking, how likely is it that you will pick a black one? Well, let's see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 marbles in total. So in chance of picking a black, we have an orange, and we have a green. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A chance of 6 out of 11 that we're going to get a black. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 11 we're going to get an orange. And just 1 out of 11 we're going to get a green. So if it's asking us how likely is it you will pick a black one? Well, it's quite likely. It's not certain. Certain means 100% you're going to pick a black, but that's not the case because there are other colored marbles in there. So it's not this one. I think it is probable because there are more black than any other color. I wouldn't say it's unlikely, and it certainly is not impossible. Definitely probable. Okay, I hope this gives you a nice introduction to understanding probability. Good luck with this section.